Hello guys and welcome to my travel blog channel Janeiro. My name is Mary, an avid traveler and beach enthusiast on a mission to discover the world's most stunning shorelines. I'm traveling the world and film the most beautiful beaches all over the world so that those of you who cannot travel now can enjoy the beauty of our nature. I love surfing and island life. That means that I'm personally addicted to ocean and beaches therefore. Please always write in the comments which beaches you want me to visit, and I will try to make your wishes real. As a beach traveler, my journey goes beyond my sightseeing. It's about immersing myself in the coastal cultures, soaking up the sunsets, and feeling the rhythm of the waves. Through my blog and videos, I aim to transport you to these idyllic destinations, inspiring you to pack your bags and embark on your own beach adventure. Through each blog post, photograph, and video, I encourage you to come along with me to experience the beauty of our Earth through my eyes. Together, let's uncover the best beaches in the world. Subscribe, press the bell, and stay with me.